Yo, it's Kevin Trades. This is my weekly recap and outlook for DAX, the German index. So let's just get straight into it. This is the weekly candle, as you can see, bearish week. We end up opening around 24.80 and closed at 23.749. Going to the daily, you can see bearish, bullish, and bearish. But before I break this down, the first things first, we got to look at the news. As you can see, we had on Tuesday Fed Chair Powell speaking and 3 p.m. PMI. Wednesday and non-farm employment change. Thursday hourly earnings, unemployment rate at 1:30 and 3 p.m. PMI because it was first week of the month. Either way, let's break this down. Got opportunity coming into Monday. Last week I did say I wanted longs from below here, anywhere below here. And you can see we did come below on Monday. If I just go down, London session 8 a.m. You can see you could have got this nice sell down, swept this high, displaced down, broke structure. Hourly was clean here. Oh, because you had these. Oh, there's a nice hourly inverse. Going to the 15 though, we could have just got a nice sell down to these lows. These lows were hella overbought, sorry. So you can see this share is very steep. So this was a very nice target for sells. And yeah, but Monday ended up closing below this forward bullish rally up. So we actually inversed it. You can see this forward bullish rally up got inversed and then got used as an inverse down here. Going back into the hourly, 3 p.m. started to rise back up at the below the day. Perfectly respecting this hourly bullish rally up. You could have maybe caught a nice buy up here. It was decent. The timing was very good. But we tapped back into this for our bearish fair value gap. Also hourly order block, sweep, and then close, hourly order block. And also around 50%. No, below it, but around 50%. Yeah, so coming into Tuesday London session, right there. We had again another hourly fair value up. Could have got this nice sell. FVG. You can see the inverses that get respected first before getting disrespected and inverse are way better. You can see here. Let's see how else you could have caught this in the 15. How is this looking? Big wick up. I'm pretty sure on the 5 it's looking like OTE. Yep. Right there. Boom. OTE and then sell off. Targeting these lows. Got a nice move there. And then literally just sold off completely until 3 p.m., 4 p.m. starting to reverse. 4 p.m. Yep, create this nice low. I did say last week I wanted to tap a few of these bearish fair value ups inverses, but you can see here on Tuesday we just closed below it, which is fine. I was watching the Tuesday close, but on the 4-hour we ended up tapping this 4-hour bullish rally up that got respected and this 4-hour inverse that got respected. Also in high time frame we are below 50%, of course, around like I think it's like golden pocket area. Yeah, so it's good. Going on to the hourly, let's just see. So you could have caught again this move up. I want to see what France did here just to see if there was SMT. Tuesday 4 p.m. Let's have a look. It just draws up, to be honest. Yeah, it's pretty insignificant. Either way, going on to that was Tuesday London session. Going to Wednesday now, right here. Yeah, this nice hourly inverse that we respected. You can see we also swept this low purge at 3 p.m. but we'll talk about that. So this London session was very nice. It's again hourly inverse, got disrespected here, and then got used as inverse on the 15-minute. How could you have caught this? Let's have a look. Oh, the really nice 15-minute fairly up here, inverse again, filled that in, and sold off. We retested these highs quite a lot before we eventually purged this low. This was a selling climax, as you can see here, oversold swing. Ooh, oversold swing, target being this high. So I do expect this high to get around very soon. See here, selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, purge. End up holding as low the day and low the week. Wednesday held as low the week and Monday held as high the week, which is fine. You could have got this very nice move if I just stay on the 15. Tapped the 4 inverses and the 4 bullish rally ups. And we had these 15-minute inverse here. And this 15-minute bullish rally up here. And again, look at this EQ tap. Beautiful. Ooh, almost. Either way, we have a nice breaker block here that we just bought from. Boom, good target. And you can target it up here. Coming into Thursday. Yep. Thursday was pretty anticlimactic because I wanted to just keep continuing. We reversed and we ended up tapping OTE from this low right here at 10, around 10:30 I think. 10:40, 10:30, yep. And that just held as low of the day. Could go again, nice buy back up. Coming, we tapped True Week around here. If you just go back another 4 hour, you can see we left behind this huge 4 hour order block, an order block fairly up. You left behind this huge fairly up. If you just mark out this order block here, you can see we tapped it around 3 p.m. and we also tapped back into this 4 hour inverse. So you could have called this nice sell off. It was 3 p.m. but 4 p.m. reswept. I do want to check if I just move drawings. 4 p.m. reswept. I don't want to check Thursday 4 p.m. Let's have a look. Is this it? Yep. SMT. Because wait, is that 4 p.m.? That's 4 p.m. Yeah. You can see France did not resweep at 4 p.m. whereas the German did. So that was SMT. We did sell off. If we draw out this selling climax and this low here, I do expect price to come lower, but I'll talk about that later. We closed up here around Thursday, around True Week, literally at True Week. Gap down, showing that sellers were in control. Big structures, whatnot. We had this very nice hourly bullish, bearish rally up here. Coming into Friday London session, and we also had this hourly bearish rally up in inverse, sorry, right here. And this looks like OTE again for this high. Is it pretty much equal highs? I think so. Yeah, pretty much just equal highs, but good OTE level there. Sold off, and like around 10 a.m. just held as draw the day. But that was this week. A really good opportunity. Coming to next week now, it's really interesting. I am again primarily looking for longs. If I just go into the weekly, you can see we're on a weekly bearish inverse. I do see this getting respected. Very nice close this week. Next week, what I expect to happen is maybe rebalance this wick. So if I just draw that out, we can see where about that is. It is around here. So I actually do expect the price to come around here exactly. Let's draw that out. So around here. That's the weekly inverse. And Yeah, I expect this low to get taken first before we move higher. Once that low gets taken, I want buys around this purple line, even lower, but around this purple line I want buys. Targets being, firstly, this initial target should get taken very soon because this is very steep. The steeper it is, the better. After that gets taken, this high and then all-time highs should get taken very soon. But yeah, there was SMT around here as well. We also got daily SMT on France. So yeah, I'm primarily looking for longs. Keep it clean and simple. I want buys below this purple line or even around this purple line. Maybe even around here. But I don't think we'll get that low in. If I just draw this forward value up again. I don't think we'll get that down. But literally just around here. And I do expect this weekly inverse to take a respect to next week. We might even come down, rebalance this huge last street candle. It may even sweep last week because that could be a big level of liquidity. But I really doubt it. I really doubt we sweep this low because it's very strong. We swept this and we broke here. Just reverse. This could just be a return to origin. So where I expect it to return to is around here, the selling climax. Either way, that's it. That's my DAX recap. Keep it clean and simple and outlook for DAX, the German index. See you next week.